And there you can see the cobblestone parking area is done. Looks really good. Okay, take two. The landscapers got most of the paving stones installed now. You can see how it has a nice curve coming in from the asphalt. And then they're still going to finish from the edge of the asphalt and on up to the house. So there's a bit more. They're probably a little short on paver stones though. But yeah, look at this. Ain't that nice? This is just really nice. It's raining right now, so I got to kind of hold the phone under my hat. And there you see the house coming along nicely. So this is bender board coming around here, and I think they are going to be doing a little bit of concrete work behind here. I'm not 100% sure what they had planned, but so yeah, it's kind of nice to have the roof all covered. So I'll run over in here now. I had to get little ladders out of the way, but yeah, so here is the underside of the deck. So that is the AZEK Decking. And let me just walk around and I'll show you a little bit of that. Actually, I guess maybe I can come right up the stairs here again and do it there. Boy, it's nice having the roof up. The weather is beginning to change, and that is not one of the things that we like. Okay, so there you go. We got all the AZEK decking on now. We've got our border pieces, and it goes all the way down there. I'm getting my phone wet. And we are starting to put siding on. Get on over here. So yeah, you can see the new siding is matching up to the old siding. Okay, now let's walk down here. I guess I can pop open the window here and look out. And so Mitch has been doing the siding while Jacob and I have been doing the decking. And the wind is coming in hard. But yeah, this is looking really nice. Let me pause you here. Okay, and there you go. Boy, those pavers look totally awesome. Okay, maybe I'll walk up here and take another view from above looking down. Okay, let's walk along. But that looks awesome. Nice big parking court, auto court. Hi, Leo. Okay. There's our trim there. Custom made. A couple $1,000. Let me walk around and I'll show you the new skirt boards. And these are the new skirt boards. 1/2 by 12 AZEK, $150 each. We have them attached with stainless steel fasteners. So yeah, everything is looking great. So the footings under the deck and the beams. And you can see how we have the joists set up here for the perimeter board. But you see we have a rim joist here, inch gap, and then a rim board here. And the second 2x4 here, or 2x8. So 2x8, 2x8, 1 inch gap, and rim joist. And that's how we support the border piece. And then this one here, nothing special, that just goes over the end rim joist. Okay, time to head home. Just about the last nice day of the year, October 4th, 2018. All right, you can see that the pavers are finished. So this here is still the old existing asphalt drive, and then it transitions to the new permeable pavers. So these are all nicely packed in. They've got 8 inches of gravel under them for drainage. You can see they have 1/4 inch clean crushed gravel between them, and that is how they drain. So you can see we have a nice sweeping curve coming in and on up the drive there. Let me back up a little bit, get a wider angle on this. And so you can see the house and the driveway. And you can see the rockery over there. So yeah, this is looking really sharp. There's the rockery. That'll get planted out soon. Stairs. All right. It always feels good when you get something completed and you get to sit back, look, and enjoy how everything has turned out. And this has turned out nice. That stick there and that 2x8 sticking up is where they had to put a 6-inch pipe under the drive to accommodate the new septic system, because there is a 4-inch sewer line goes in there, and then 2 1-inch lines that are like a return and something else. So, okay, nice. I'm just walking over here real quick. You can see the deck in motion. It's kind of off in the distance. But yeah, things are working out really good. Okay, let's head on home. It's been a long, hard day, and I deserve a break. I think I'll get a pizza tonight. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like if you will, and don't forget to subscribe to keep following the progress on this project. Fishing trips, camping trips, travels, all kinds of goodies. See you on the next video.